guys, welcome back to Aryan Builds. This is a fun channel where a father and son duo posts about interesting robotics projects. Today we're going to be making a remote controlled drone, and this project started when both of us had a dream to build a drone that could go high in the sky and capture footage of birds.
Hi guys, I think that's a good start, Aryan. So the idea is that we want to build big, and we had no idea how to start with. We always been fascinated by drone reaching to the top and capturing the bird's nest. We always wanted to build something like that. So a few years back, we always had the inspiration. We saw this. I was a big fan of this music video. Music sounds better with you. I used to watch it in my childhood. But that time, I never had access to, building flying planes. And then, though I always had this dream that, I want to build something flying. So when Aryan, considering, we are in a very, this is like a sweet spot that we have found that, I still have the dream with me that I want to build something flying. And Aryan also has the same dream. And we both in the same house, and while he's learning robotics, I thought, okay, yeah, this is maybe we can do this together. What do you say?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sounds like an amazingly fun project.
Yeah, I mean, it could be a fun project. So, you want to talk about this thing that suppose how we started from the journey of having a bigger goal and how we broke it down into the smaller parts. I know we have not still accomplished it, but we are making an attempt, and we are making it as a video log so that our failures, successes, all are visible to people.
Yes.
So, do you want to talk about? I think we have explained why we are doing it, and what we are going to build, and how we are going to do it is something that I want.
So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a board that can connect to the internet called an ESP32 with some motors, cordless motors in detail.
Okay. So, how would you explain what you the ESP32 board to your friend?
An ESP32 is a wireless board which can connect to the internet, and you can connect different types of sensors which can give different types of outputs which you can build different things with.
Okay. So, what is the what is the easy example? And can you show people ESP30? Maybe this is the yeah. This is very all right. I think viewers just got the preview of ESP32. You can.
So this is going to be our plan. Stage 1, which will be proving the project will work on a breadboard. The next stage will be stage 1B, where it will actually fly. Stage 2 will be an RC controlled plane. Stage 4 will be the see from the cockpit, where we can see everything going on. And stage 5 is the plane flies itself with view, and it's going to be fully autonomous.
Yeah, I think the whole idea is that we have a bigger picture, and how do we reach there step by step, and this is where we take the help of artificial intelligence to break the thing down, into the smaller steps. So. I think, and the way we made it more interesting is that we always wanted to have some kind of a paper plane controlled by a Bluetooth.
Yeah.
So we thought, okay, why don't we actually bring that also? So we asked AI to modify that, and we included that, and I think this is why the AI actually became very helpful for us to plan the things out, and yeah, I mean, so this is where we are right now. At the beginning, we are just collecting the parts that we need. We have ordered it from different websites, RoboCraze and Amazon. Yep.
And stay tuned for our next video, where we'll show the proof of concept and everything on the breadboard. Thank you.